Hello everyone. Welcome once again to CloudSage Technology India Private Limited. At CloudSage, we provide high quality training in various SAP S/4HANA modules with experienced instructors dedicated to helping students reach their full potential. We also have options of paid internships and 100% placement assistance. Whether you are looking to enhance your skills in SAP or prepare for certification or explore new interests, we have a program tailored for your needs. In today's video, I am going to do a comparative analysis between ECC and S4HANA, and we're going to look into the key differences from technical, finance, and logistics modules perspective. This is going to be a detailed video, so I am going to break it into two parts. In the first part, I will cover technical and finance module, and in the next part, I will cover the logistic module. Firstly, what is SAP ECC? ECC stands for ERP Central Component. It is SAP's main ERP application that was initially released in 2004. Since then, it has gone through a lot of version updates, and latest versions of SAP ECC is called as EHP 8 or Enhancement Pack 8. It contains a lot of core modules such as finance consolidation, payroll procurement, logistic, etc. And it is estimated that around 35,000 customers globally use SAP ECC as their main ERP system to run their day-to-day business operations. S4HANA is SAP's next generation ERP suite built on HANA in-memory database. It provides a more intuitive user experience and enables real-time analytics and reporting, which are essential for modern businesses to make informed decisions quickly. Now let us take a look at the key differences between ECC and S4HANA and why SAP customers are migrating from ECC to S4HANA. Let us first look into the key differences in technology and scope perspective. One of the key reasons for SAP customers considering to move to S4HANA is that SAP ECC will go out of support in 2027, which means post 2027, SAP customers won't receive support for new bugs from SAP for the ECC system. Whereas SAP has committed that S4HANA will be in support at least until 2040. The next main technical difference is that the ECC system runs on multiple different databases such as Oracle, MaxDB, DB2, SQL Server, and Sybase. But S4HANA runs only on HANA database, which is SAP's in-memory database. So if currently an SAP customer is running their ECC system on Oracle or any other database apart from HANA, then they need to start using HANA database when they migrate from ECC to S4HANA, which means the customers must either hire new employees with HANA skills or they must upskill their current database team in the HANA database technology. SAP claims that S4HANA running on HANA database is much faster than ECC running on non-HANA database, and there are several reasons to it. Firstly, SAP S4HANA reads data from the main memory instead of the hard disk, so there are few data movements. Next, the tables in S4HANA are column-based instead of row-based, so it only reads the relevant column in a query. It can also process different columns in parallel. There are no aggregate indexes or history tables since application can access the original data itself. Lastly, S4HANA combines the online transactional processing, which is also known as OLTP, and online analytical processing, which is known as OLAP tables together. So you no longer need to reconcile them. The next difference comes in the presentation layer. Up until SAP ECC customers were using SAP GUI as the tool to access the system. SAP GUI was released in the early 1990s, and there has always been complaints from SAP customers that SAP GUI is not modern enough when it comes to user interface and lacks advanced features. The main presentation layer for S4HANA is SAP Fiori, which is browser-based and developed using modern programming language such as SAP UI5 and JavaScript. It is very user-friendly and includes advanced features such as embedded analytics and real-time modern dashboards. Now let us look at the four key differences in the finance module. We are going to talk about Universal Journal, Material Ledger, account-based profitability analysis, and credit management. The first one and the most commonly talked about change in the finance world of S4HANA is the introduction of Universal Journal. S4HANA consolidates various data modules into a unified table known as ACDOCA or ACDOCA. This integration encompasses asset accounting, general ledger, material ledger, management accounting, finance, and profitability analysis. By incorporating all these modules into one table, which is ACDOCA, the system eliminates the need for numerous aggregates and index tables, leading to a significant reduction in data footprint. This streamlined approach enhances system efficiency. The next key difference in the finance module is activating the material ledger. While optional in ECC, the material ledger becomes a mandatory feature in S4HANA. Many companies choose not to activate material ledger in ECC due to challenges associated with numerous aggregate and index tables. However, in S4HANA, the material ledger seamlessly integrates into the AC Docker table, eliminating past frustrations and making its activation a more straightforward process. The third one is account-based profitability analysis. In ECC, costing-based profitability analysis is the default option. But in S4HANA, the default option is account-based profitability analysis. So you can run both options together. Running a account-based profitability analysis has various advantages such as real-time reporting, simplified data structure, alignment with external reporting, and much easier period and closing. The last one in the finance module is credit management. In ECC, the credit management modules were referred to as FI, AR, and CR. However, the S4HANA credit management is now integrated into financial supply chain management. The financial supply chain management module introduces automated workflows, eliminating the needs for manual intervention in activities such as credit limit approval and risk scoring. Furthermore, the distributed architecture of financial supply chain management system enables seamless interfacing with external credit agencies and facilitates direct communication. With this, we will end today's session. In the next session, we will emphasize on differences in logistic modules. Thank you for being a part of this session. You may visit our website or call us on the contact number shown on the screen to know more about our institute and courses offered. We are also available on all leading social media platforms. You can follow us at CloudSage Tech for regular updates. Bye for now. Stay tuned for next part.